Hi everyone, welcome back to my blog. Today I'm going to my favorite spot where I can relax, and I'm so much stressed this time. I don't know why I feel so alone, so I'm thinking to go and take care and pamper myself a bit. The only thing I can take care of myself and have some pamper to myself. So going back to Goa, so I got a chance to see myself, how much I love myself. And yes, of course, you should love yourself because everyone should have that baby vibes like me, क्योंकि मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. So this is one of my line which makes me little good. So I'm taking off to Goa. So here we go. And this flight was so weird. I feel like vomiting. I don't know. It was so worst landing ever I have done it. This is my second time ever I've gone. I have went through bad experience of landing where I felt lot of dizziness and vomiting. I still had a kind of a sore thing, lemon, to fill my this vomiting sensation to go away. It was the worst flight ever. I never want to travel in this thing. I don't want everyone to experience this thing. So whatever got ended up, finally landed to Goa. So here I am, slow and steady, but still came to Goa. Finally, I love it. So here it is. So Goa, here I come to make the vibe more fantastic and fabulous. So let's make it excited. So here I'm in Goa airport waiting for the cab. So got the cab and finally heading towards my hotel. So I went to search my hotel because I don't want to book from my app because I really had a bad experience before. So I don't want to take a risk because last year I saw the picture, it was so fab, and I went down, it was very worst condition. And today also searched three or more. I just went to the app and I just went to the hotel and searched, it was very bad. Thank God I didn't pay it. If I have paid, and thank God I didn't pay anything before I came because worst experience. I never want to take risk because it's a hard earned money. So I thought of going and search by myself and see it. And whatever I searched in apps, I went to visit it so that I can pay it. No matter it's expensive, but I have to see that it's very clean and hygiene. So I went to three or four hotels which was not good. So I didn't pay off. That was my good thing. Maybe God has saved me. So I just went and went to such a good hotel. So finally I was like about to get it. I got an option two or three again. So we went and the uncle was so good. The driver was so good. He helped me a lot to search out. Finally I got a hotel which was very good. It was reasonable price, almost 3,500, but it's okay. It was clean and hygiene. But whatever you see in like in Make My Trip, it's very bad because it shows you very luxurious. That was the worst thing. I would recommend everyone to see, go by self and do it. Do not pay before in advance. So this is my thing which I got simple, but yes, it was hygiene and it was clean and this thing which makes me feel good with balcony. I was looking for jacuzzi option which was very bad in condition, so I didn't go for it. But yes, this for me it's okay. I really loved it. It was beautiful and it was very clean and hygiene. That was mine. So I enjoyed a lot. And after a hectic day, I started going with swing and enjoyed myself. And thanks for the staff who take my pictures and videos I requested for. They did it and I really loved it. I'm telling this because this I had an experience because when someone is there with you with as a strong pillar, that time you will be full dependent upon you. When she or your pillar goes, you will become very weak. What I felt and I went through. I'm telling because I'm a girl and especially a daughter. Daughter is always called a pariah. Pariah. I don't know what you call in English, but in Hindi it's called pariah. She will never have their own name. They basically have to sacrifice everything. So before marriage or after marriage, if you don't have any support. It hurts you, it kills you. And whatever it happened to me, I don't want anyone to suffer. I just want everyone to be strong. So right now I'm strong. I don't know what people think, what I wear, what I do, but yes, of course I'm independent, and I'm so feel proud of it because I'm not dependent on anyone. Whatever they say against me or something bad about me, I don't give a shit because I'm owning myself. I'm doing myself, whatever it is. So guys, I always tell, especially a girl, to be independent. Don't depend upon anyone because someday somebody strong will goes like mine. It went. I was so much dependent upon her. She left me. Now I'm nothing without her. But still, so what I believe is life is beautiful. Enjoy it, no matter what, how hard you have. I keep on enjoying whatever it is. I don't care what people think about myself. I stay alone. I live my life the way I want. But only thing, enjoy your life. Don't dependent upon anyone, as I never did. So here it is. I'll be come back soon. Love you all.